Good morning, traders. Alla Peters with Alpha Fibonacci System. This is a chart intelligent trader starts each and every morning with. This is an institutional chart. This is key institutional support, where buyers been coming from since March 2021. In the last 2 weeks, shorts were reminded very clearly that trading without institutional power is not the path to success. Institutional orders sitting at these levels, waiting to be filled. I know how institutional traders think. I work with them. They're not pulling single trigger. They're not pulling single order. How institutional traders trade is completely different than how retail traders trade. But if you trade with them, you trade as intelligent trader. So here is Alpha Fibonacci software at institutional level. Intelligent trader monitors for long. This is a key zone. This is how simple and pure system is. As we're discussing with my brilliant intelligent traders, at this zone the only option to buy, at this zone the only option to short. That's it. Software projected to 1 minute chart. At the red zone, the only option to short. You are not buying near this level. This is simplicity and purity of the system. This is your trading range this morning. Word RZ means expect reversal. So where price collapsing is exactly what we discussed with students. This is the market this morning. This is where multi-million-dollar positions, billion-dollar positions waiting to be filled. You shorting near this level. You are trading against Goldman, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley traders. Did you know that only elite institutional traders have short buttons? Did you know that most are not allowed to short the market? Oops. So when you trade with institutional traders, you understand that we are at critical key day trading support. But you also understand that support remains unstable, and this remains brick wall. What played out prior was a day trader's dream. This is a dream, March 8th, March 9th. So if price collapses to this level, this is where institutional orders being filled. Currently, your only option, extremely aggressive long. We're not in ideal place. And as I'm teaching live every Thursday, and as you can view in hundreds of videos in member area, you know this far in advance. Months, weeks, days, hours, all depends on chart you trade. Again, right now we're dealing with brick wall. Right now price remains unstable. Every single chart telling us this. So if the price will keep collapsing to this level, intelligent trader will cancel everything and will be glued to the screen. But again and again and again, if price remains unstable right now, no one is surprised where it's coming from. We discussed all of this with students before market open. Every single morning, Monday through Thursday, as preparation for your trade. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. Right institutional power. And if I convert this chart to any chart you choose to trade, this is a market. This is your day trading range. This is what little chart showing you to the tick. Again, are you trading one? This is a chart. This is your trading range. Nothing else is possible, only this. You cannot pull 20, 30 points out of this market. You cannot. This chart told us this well before market open. This is a major problem. This. That's it. We're stuck. And again, this is your micro little retail chart. This is a critical level. We would love for price to collapse to drastically lower level. We would love for price to be here. This is a dream. This is unstable market. Price just shown you that clearly. And that's how you trade with institutional power, with day trading precision. No speculation, no gambling. You trading markets as intelligent, strategic Alpha Fibonacci chess. This is your trading range. These are your retail levels. These are your institutional levels. What else is intelligent trader paying attention to? If first time since 2021, sell-off continues because war intensifies, because of Putin receiving 100+ million support in Russia, the power of brainwashing is very, very dangerous and not good for the world. Many, many months in advance we discussed this level is out, this level is next. This level is out, this level is next. That's it. So this is a picture perfect example. With simplicity and power of Alpha Fibonacci system, you're extremely well aware why this is not the place to trade. This is not, this is. To the single tick system showing you clearly, as we discussed with students well before this happened, this is a brick wall. Nothing else is possible. Price can be stuck here for hours and hours and hours. So if you meant to be a day trader, you love this test. This is how you trade, with sniper's mentality, with ultimate execution, with ultimate precision. This was bullish news on oil yesterday morning. How many points did oil sold off as oil structure identical as S&P this morning? Oil collapsed 40 points plus. Institutional chart shown you clearly. This is reversal zone, bullish news or not, you are not buying oil here. And you knew this years in advance. This support holding the key on oil. But again and again and again, this is exact same thing. This is reversal zone on S&P RZ. It's black and white. Obey the rules and the sky's the limit. Day trading not for you. Use everything on long-term positions. Black and white. And when you use everything for long-term positions and you're looking on your charts once a week, again and again and again, ultimate place to buy is at the bottom, which played out on oil 2 years ago. It is not now. This is oil March 2020. This is oil 2 years ago from this trading room. Did you know that this is a place to buy oil? Tell me. This is what I teach in the live class every Thursday, and you can find in hundreds of videos on the website. You buy ultimate bottom. You trade oil stocks. Day trading not for everyone. You can define what chart, what instrument you want to trade. And that's oil since 2020 versus now. Price reminded you bullish news doesn't mean a thing if Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is present. But again, you don't have to wait for weeks, months and years to see this. You see it instantly in the trading room. This is market open on S&P. This is war zone. This is the power of reversal zone. Agree? This is institutional chart on oil for the last 2 years. What kind of trader are you? Do you want to trade oil stocks? Do you want to use options? Do you want to use other derivatives? Of course you can. Historical event on oil, bullish news. Oil in free fall. It's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This level will determine oil for years to come. And again, you knew this since 2020. We are in 2022. But again, if you are day trading, this is your trading range. Price dancing back and forth. Nothing else possible. Only this. That's it. This is a test you must pass every single minute. But you are in front of the screen only at the key levels. This is conversation with my brilliant students this morning. In the middle of the range with no edge at any institutional level and in price action like that, good to just take a break. So you're referring to S&P where S&P is now. And here is how Theo trades. It is almost 2 a.m. in Australia. Genius of Theo. Theo, can you please share what you're trading? Let me show you a few last emails Theo sent with his results. So here's Theo's results. 86.76%. Correct? Everyone see this? Average winning trade $235. Average losing trade $86. These are the parameters intelligent trader pays attention to, but this is phenomenal. Profit factor of 17. Theo makes $17 on every dollar. Breathtaking, stunning, flawless. Genius of Theo. If Theo can do this, so can you. Theo had never done private mentoring, ever. Theo trading only core strategy on everything. On Forex, on Bitcoin. As Theo shares, it was actually 2 a.m. in Australia. Just took a trade on S&P early this morning, 7.25 points. Genius of Theo. Your levels and targets provide roadmap, but one key ingredient must be present. Your effort. Theo making phenomenal effort. He's trading it all. So when he's making 85,900 on Bitcoin and he's taking loser for $170, this is genius trader. Zero private mentoring, only core, key course. That's it. So this is the email Theo sent a couple of days ago. As Theo says, it is absolutely critical, crucial to follow the roadmap and excellent software and also working on key levels from the higher time frames as taught combined with some of my higher time frames. It is crucial to take a break and to recognize, as Theo took Alpha Brain Bootcamp, not to be glued to the screen for more than 2-3 hours maximum. Absolute maximum. That's it. Genius of a trader who is trading it all with Alpha Fibonacci System. Never ever more than 2-3 hours per day. So what is 7.25 points on S&P? 1 point on S&P, $50. $50 multiplied by 7 on one lot, $350. On 10 lots, $3,500 plus. On 20 lots, 7,000 plus. It's only Theo's business how much he trades. But this is what you see you can do. You don't need private mentoring. Theo did not need one. But Theo saw instantly the power of the system, and he made breathtaking effort trading it all. S&P, Forex, Bitcoin. Here's Bitcoin. Here's a stunning reminder. Absolutely stunning reminder. This is your trading range on Bitcoin. This is reversal zone. And again, you knew this many months in advance. I'm taking you back to Bitcoin to January 2021. Do you remember that part? Do you remember bullish rally on Bitcoin? Tell me. That's it? Many months in advance, you know where Bitcoin would crash and burn from. Global convention in Miami. Miami mayor announcing you can pay your real estate taxes with Bitcoin. So how is it possible Bitcoin collapsing 65%? Again and again and again? Across the board on all time frames? There is no speculation. There is no gambling. This is ultimate precision. But again, you saw exact same thing on S&P this morning. This is a reason trading room open, so you can see the power and precision. S&P skyrocketed from this level this morning, correct? Do you remember that? Market open on S&P, and here's Bitcoin, identical level. Bitcoin skyrocketed from this level. This is the reason my students are dearest friends for life. I simply ask you to make an effort. I simply ask you to obey the rules. Bitcoin in horrific pain. It's stuck in this trading range. This is so much better to be on Bitcoin. This. But again, if you are trading Tesla collapsed $400 per share from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This is key level on Tesla for the last 3 weeks. Identical trading range on Tesla as on S&P this morning. Here is Apple in free fall. Apple sold off from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. But the most powerful event, the most powerful crash on Facebook this year. Did you know to exit your position on Facebook? Did you? At this level? Facebook collapsed 50+% from 382. My goodness, look at the numbers on Facebook. 186. But again, as I've been teaching for the last 11 years, and as I work with hedge fund managers all over the world, with some of whom I work for many, many years, as long as 8 years. Good morning, Joseph. Amazing to see you. Traders all over the world trading the system. Here's a Facebook before the crash. November 2020. Shock or not? That's the power of the system and what traders trade all over the world. You simply understand clearly. Every single instrument will crash and burn from this level with 85+% of the time. You understand the rules. You play by the rules. You are not a gambler. You buying at this level. You're trading with less than 15% success rate. This is a place right now to monitor for long for Facebook. But as Theo says clearly, filter depending where price structure is placed. What else is Theo says? Your institutional levels have been nailing Bitcoin reversal levels. And yet many traders were trading right into those brick walls. And some were very big money traders. Unfortunately, it's a basic fact. Some very big money traders are absolute gamblers. But why is it easy for them to do? Because they're trading someone else's money. Entirely different psychology. And that's the power of the system. But again, if you want to trade euro, if you want to trade pound, it's identical thing. Sell off and crash and rally identified far in advance. Has anyone seen good news in Europe where euro skyrocketed from in 2020? Europe in complete lockdown and euro skyrocketing? Let me take you back on euro to January 2020. Europe in complete lockdown, but this is a place to buy euro. This is a place to buy pound. Identical thing played out this week on S&P. April 2020. This is what euro looked like with a system. Place to buy, not the place to short. This is historical level on euro. With Alpha Fibonacci System, you know this, years ahead. And that's what I'm teaching in the live class next. That's it. Choice is yours. If you want to trade Tesla or Apple or oil or Bitcoin or euro or S&P. Robert, breathtaking work. 7 points. On one lot, $350. On 10 lots, $3,500. Robert and Theo in completely different parts of the world. This morning our students as Theo in Australia, as Greg in UK. Robert, please do share where you are, I'm not sure. Other traders in Texas, in New Jersey, in Florida. Robert also in New Jersey, incredible, stunning. Joseph in Alabama, every trader from all over the world. Bobby in Puerto Rico. Every trader decides what instrument you trade, and it's every trader's personal business how much money they make. So again, in the trading room you see instant precision with Alpha Fibonacci System on any chart you choose to trade. Black and white. No speculation, no gambling whatsoever. Ultimate clarity, ultimate trading range. Again and again and again. You can trade any instrument you choose. So if you want to trade like Theo, if you want to trade like Robert, if you want to trade as traders trade all over the world, I look forward working with you. S&P traders this morning. Price heading to reversal zone. Key support respected on every single chart. Intelligent trader never, ever, ever shorts near this level. So if you want to listen to genius of Theo, if you want to listen to other traders, simply come to the website, but first you can always request invitation to the trading room. We have podcasts with traders from all over the world. Every single trader trades different instrument. Every single trader trades different account. It's trader's personal choice what instrument, what time frame, what platform trader trades on. And if you click View Students' Performance, you can view students' emails I received from all over the world. And simply choose from option appropriate for you. Private mentoring currently offered with savings up to $5,000. It includes all the options with trading room video library modules. It includes live classes. It includes lifetime system for any platform and software for Ninja 8. But if you would like to take option both Robert and Theo took, they did not use private mentoring. They took group course. This is option 2, savings of $3,000 currently available to you. So please view emails, listen to the podcast, read student reviews, and decide what's appropriate for you. When you take the course, when you apply the system, you trade as institutional traders do. You trade with them. You do not ever trade against them. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. Let's take a break and let's prepare for the live class.